Twitter ads, everyone says they're the next best thing, but are they any good? Stick around. This video is brought to you by Email 10K. Learn how to book meetings with billion-dollar brands and take your company to the next level at email10k.com. I was talking to Dennis Yu, who does a lot of Facebook ads. He runs Blitz Metrics, and we were talking about Twitter ads. He started dipping his toe in the water, and I wanted to dip my toe in the water as well. He said report back on the results, and I thought, let's report back on the results on this channel so we can deliver value to you guys at the same time. In this video, you're gonna see us spend $200 on Twitter ads with and without conversion tracking to promote our course, Email 10K, which is the best way to start and grow your business. This turned into a 2-day experiment. First, we did a $100 spend with no conversion tracking. Then I found out they have conversion tracking, and I spent another $100 for you to make sure that we get good results. And here it is. Here is our Twitter ad test. This is round 2. We did another Twitter ad test a couple of years ago, and the platform was not ready at all. We got no conversions. So how has it improved? It's 2020 now. Are Twitter ads worthwhile in 2020? First off, let's jump into the ads manager. I did run the campaign. I put a $100 total budget. It looks like after a week, it might not have spent the entire 100, spent 80, but that's okay, we can go for 80. $80 to get 34 link clicks, 0.4% click rate, and a $2 cost per click, which to me seems a little high. So how is Twitter Ads Manager? Well, it's pretty easy to set up a campaign. You can go for video views. I went for website clicks. As far as I could tell, there are no pixels with Twitter, which makes it very hard for us to measure actual results. I can measure clicks, I can measure whether people are following us on Twitter, but whether people actually went to the Email 10K landing page and converted, I actually have no idea. So that makes it a little tough, but we can judge based on clicks. Anyway, the campaigns are pretty easy to set up. Put in the campaign name, put in your funding source, your daily budget, your total budget, your ad category. You need to select a category. Is it clear what I should be doing on this part? Ad group name. All right, audiences. This is what I do like about Twitter. So Twitter advertising lets you choose audiences based on who they're following. This is what I did for these ads. So I went to follower lookalikes and I typed a bunch of cold email people, so like Stelly. And I also typed cold email tools, so things like Lemlist, and went from there. You can see it's got 8.6 to 10,500. So people that look like me. And then what you can also do is expand your audience. So Twitter will find people that look like the followers of these people that aren't specifically these followers. That may or may not be good. Then what you can do is either select your old tweets to promote on the platform, or you can create new tweets that are just used for advertising. I created new tweets based on some of our most popular tweets that promoted the course Email 10K. And also I tested 3 headlines that we're using for our new webinar to see which one performed better. So let's jump in and see the results. How were Twitter ads? How did it turn out? So first of all, the way that a lot of these ad platforms work is if one campaign is working, it will eat the budget of the other one. So you can tell here I went in and paused 2 campaigns. That's because these were working and we're dragging the budget down for everything else. So I paused these 2. However, that didn't seem to work when it came to spending on these last 2 here. So 2 of the headlines didn't even get tested. So we tested 3. Let's say we tested 3 headlines here. So you can see here out of the 3 ads, there were 3 completely different results. This one, 2 cold emails, 1 meeting targeting companies with over 5 million in revenue. Not bad. Led to 11 clicks at $1.67 per click and a 1.4% click rate. Now, compare that to our headline tweet, which was the #1 lead generation strategy for digital agency owners. How to get clients and make money at will using cold email. That one only got a 0.23% click rate and cost us $3.29 per click. Now, you might look at this and say, well, this one's the obvious winner. And I would say that too. However, that's only because Twitter doesn't give you a pixel. Because what I've seen based on other ad platforms is this one might be $3.29 a click, but all of these clicks might have converted into emails. And without seeing the pixel data of the actual conversions, we have nothing to go on. I will say based on that this tweet is the winner But I really wish that Twitter had some kind of pixeling. Oh, they do have pixeling. They do have conversion tracking. I'm impressed with Twitter's targeting. I like that you can go and target followers of people that look like the people that follow your competitors. That's great. I like that you can use free tweets that have performed on the platform and then use those to get conversions. And if they do have conversion tracking, maybe this will be a good platform. This is about half a test, I'd say. I just spent $80. We got a little bit of data, which that's the point of advertising, right? You spend, you get some data, you go from there. I learned enough to throw these 2 headlines out. So if we're gonna use how to get clients for your digital agency using my unorthodox cold email scripts, that's in the trash. And this one, #1 lead generation strategy for digital agency owners, how to get clients and make money at will using cold email, that's in the trash. Now what I'm gonna do is set up Twitter ads part 2. So let's set up a part 2 with conversion tracking of this campaign, and I can show you how easy it is to set up. So I'm gonna go into the back end of our system real quick and just click into our landing page. Now we'll go to Tools, Conversion Tracking, create a new conversion event. This is gonna be email 10K, list, sign up. And this is gonna be a sign up. Use a universal website tag. And what this will allow us to do is put one website tag across all pages, which is gonna be right here in our tracking code. I'll put it right in between Google and Facebook, so Twitter can hang as well. Post engagement attribution window, I'll put it 7 days, 1 day post view. We're just going for email signup, so it'll be this URL. So all you do is take the tag, pop it into the header of your site, save and update. Now, in theory anyway, we have this installed. So return to conversion tracking, list sign up. So now what I'll be able to do is copy this campaign and we'll set up part 2. Now it's a $200 Twitter test because that's what you gotta do sometimes. So I'm gonna create a different campaign for each test because I wanna make sure that each one gets $20 put behind it. Optimize for website conversions, and that's gonna be list sign up. Look at us knowing what we're doing. Targeting, it's gonna be the same as before. I'm only gonna select 1 tweet, which I have 3. And I'm gonna use the ones that failed last time too because we didn't actually get data on those. I wanna know who's actually converting. So that's 1, total ad group budget. Just remove that. I think that's what stopped us from getting to 100 last time. It's our ad group budget. So let's launch this campaign. That's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. You can see me messing around here. It's actually very easy to set up. You can just see this, how it's being set up, and it's so easy. So campaign #1 is #1 lead generation strategy. So this is campaign #2. We should actually get results by tomorrow. Website conversions, email list signups, same targeting. Digital agency clients. Great. This one. By the way, super easy to set up campaigns. In all, I love the usability of Twitter ads. It's very exciting. I do want to see them generate results though. And finally, last one. So now we have all 5 running. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. All running, all optimizing for the right things. They're going for conversions. And we'll let them run for 24 hours. It should spend the full budget, and we'll see how we do. Twitter advertising. Smash cut to several days later. We are now $200 into this Twitter ads experiment, and I wanted to show you our amazing results. How did we do on Twitter ads? Is it the greatest thing that we've ever seen? Did we get $1 conversions? Are we selling like crazy? Not at all. You can see here, we're now $200 into Twitter ads. Based on the first experiment, we got 43 link clicks for around $2.33 per link click, which we decided was an irrelevant data point. We wanted to track conversions. And so I installed the conversion tool onto our website. And I spun up another 5 ad tests. So how did we do? Well, one of them got 4 link clicks at $5 per link click. Let me show you this. Website conversions. Key conversions, 0. So $20 spent, 0 conversions. 4 link clicks at $5 a click. Let's look at the other one. Second test. No conversions, 3 link clicks at $6.67. Third test. No conversions, 7 link clicks at $2.86. Fourth test, no conversions, 4 link clicks at $5 a click. And fifth test, no conversions, 10 link clicks at $2 a click. Now, if this was a landing page that we hadn't tested at all with any cold traffic ever, I would say maybe it's the landing page. But this is a landing page that has performed with both Google ads and Facebook ads and is hovering around a 30 to 40% conversion rate. So, based on the number of clicks that we've had from this ad campaign, just the new ad campaign, just the second $100 test that has been tracking conversions, we should have seen, if this was anywhere near the other ad platforms, 8 email addresses for $100, which in itself would be horrible because we're used to paying $1 to $3 per email. But we didn't even get 8 emails. We got a big nothing. Targeting the exact traffic that we needed to target on tweets that got engagement to that traffic organically. So my takeaway on Twitter ads is it's still not ready. Do not invest for B2B and move on. There's so many better platforms. I'm looking forward to trying LinkedIn for one, but right now I'm sticking to Facebook retargeting and YouTube ads. This video is brought to you by Email 10K. So you don't have a business idea, huh? Do you want to know what the best business to start is, regardless of market conditions? Check out the free presentation at email10k.com. We have over 200 students that are crushing it using this business strategy, even during this time. So check that out, email10k.com. Thanks for watching the video. If you like this type of content, please subscribe below. We do business videos 3 times a week. If you want to make money online, check out our course, Email 10K. Like this video to encourage the YouTube algorithm to promote us to more people. And leave a comment down below. What do you think about Twitter advertising? Is this enough information for you to launch your own test? Do you like it? Thanks for watching. I'm Alex Berman.